pangalan?
Ito pa.
Kambing din yan.
Yung pampapait.
Ano nga, sa dapay?
Huwag ilalagay lahat yan. Papait yan siya.
Yan yung mga papaitan, no? Ay, kilawin.
Papait. Lagi nagpapalit. Ang laki parang kamuting kahon.
Ang haba ng ano, parang ano.
At ito hindi ito ganito dati, ano?
Tanim ng ano pa.
Hindi siya pumunta.
Guys, naghihiwa po kami. We are going to cook.
This one is our first appetizer.
Appetizer. Ano yung pangalan nga nito? Anong pangalan? We're going to
cook pinapaitan from Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
I migrated in Cavite City.
Oh my God.
The
How about you? What can you say about your
life in Dubai?
life in Dubai?
Nice. Is it good?
Yeah, of course.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
It's like Hannah did told to you that.
Ah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Red 1 to 10.
11.
Yes.
What you want to ask me? Ask me now.
Wow!
Mashallah!
How's your love life?
About that, sorry, not comment.
Oh my God.
No
Why
comment,
why no comment?
No comment, please.
No.
Please stop it.
I want to know a little bit.
Please stop it.
I'm Bisaya at ano ara.
Oh, what is the name of your husband?
I don't know.
How about you? Janet.
I'm always single, you know.
Ready to mingle.
Yeah. It's easy to go out without thinking anything.
Wow.
Without thinking anything like that.
Ay, Diyos ko.
ko.
Janet, mag-asawa ka na. Oo, makatikim ka ng loto ng Diyos.
Mayroon niyang gusto eh. Ayaw ko lang eh.
Ayaw mo.
Hindi na uso.
Ako, makaano ka ng lalaki na mga... Ayan, ang sarap. Papaitan. Ito ating chef ko, si Gina. Ayan, luto na ating papaitan. So yummy! Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the love and support. See you on my next cooking vlog. Babush!